Hi, I'm Tina. I'm an LVN. I work for Maxim Healthcare Services. I've been a caregiver for over 10 years, working with Maxim specifically for 2 years.
When I make a phone call and I'm looking for a nurse to talk about our families and our patients, I'm hoping I get another Tina on the end. She's a trainer. She's training our new nurses that are coming in, and we use Tina as an example of what a good home care nurse is.
I was motivated to get back into home health. I had suffered some loss in my own life. I felt that the best thing to do would be to be useful to another human being.
So Tina has dealt with tragedy in her own life. You know, she did go through the death of her own son and is now the primary caretaker of her grandson.
It helps me to get up and care for another human being. It's one of the very few things besides staying in acceptance that works for me.
Tina bonds with her patients. She's allowed to have the time to really take care of all their physical needs, their emotional needs, supporting the family, which is really what Maxim is all about. And Tina just fits right in with that.
I've been working with Larry since Larry came home. Larry has ALS, which leaves him ventilator dependent.
Well, Larry's ALS was diagnosed 2 years ago. He used to be very active. He played basketball, football. He was a runner.
I really enjoy the rapport that I have with Larry. You know, over the years, I think we've kind of formed a good bond.
Tina will always do whatever she can to help the families. One of the situations was that Larry wanted to go to the wedding of his son. Without hesitation, Tina volunteered to help.
You know, when I found out that Nathan was getting married and how important it was that Larry attend that wedding for the entire family, I was just so agreeable and more than willing to do what I could to make that a reality for them.
We weren't sure if Larry would be able to come because of the situation that he has, but my son was so grateful that Tina was able to be there, take care of him while, able to see the wedding and witness his son getting married.
It was really rewarding for me to be able to help Larry get ready for this very important occasion in his life and attend it.
He had a really good experience. I think he had a good time at the wedding. He was able to enjoy himself, and it was good to see him smile and have a good time.
So if somebody's going through a difficulty, whether it be a chronic illness, terminal illness, they're going through life changes, we always have something to be grateful for because we definitely are very blessed.